Hello, welcome to Keen Learning. My name is Juan Sebastian Garcia, and we are in the Mobile Device Management Fundamentals. On this episode, we're going to look at the bits and pieces of what mobile device management is and how to understand the components to be successful by understanding, implementing, and developing a mobile device management platform. So, first thing we need to understand is when it comes to a mobile device, either a cellular phone or a tablet, or maybe a tablet PC or a laptop, or maybe a user PC. Well, we need to control the security of that device. And we normally have either technologies like Androids or iPhones, or maybe a Windows phone, or maybe an old technology like BlackBerry. Well, we all understand the security of those devices because if you have WhatsApp Messenger and you receive a photo that has a exploit or a virus or a malicious code, then you're going to be hacked with that device. So it's really important to understand that the mobile device management is how we control devices that are out there, like cell phones, tablets, laptops, or PCs, that they're going to be connected to the internet. Now, no matter what network you run, you could be running on 5G, 4G, or maybe you're in your Wi-Fi home office, or maybe in your Wi-Fi corporate network. You still got a level of security that is vulnerable. You're going to have hackers with attacking your device, and eventually they will control your device. Once the hacker gets control of your device, he's going to pretty much, get data from your phone. Maybe he's going to activate the microphone. Maybe he's going to activate the web camera, or maybe he's just going to grab all your files and put them on his machine. So there's a lot of risks involved, data theft, maybe identity theft, maybe information that is so important is going to be leaked in your mobile device. So think about mobile device management as a security tool, as a management tool for devices that are out there, either in your company, in your business, or maybe for external providers. You need to control those devices. Now, this class is based on IBM MAS 360, which it's a great product. It's one of the best products for mobile device management. The reason I'm saying that is because I tested different products myself, and IBM is the leader on MDMs. Now, IBM has a history. They have a product that is very stable, very complete, and basically it runs on the cloud. So we're going to have a IBM cloud, and in that IBM infrastructure, we're going to have all the functionality to harden our devices with the latest technology. So again, mobile device management has been out there for years, but IBM has all the good power embedded. So Gartner, IDC, they recommend using IBM MAS 360 as a leader for MDM. Now again, there are different vendors. We have Iron Mobile. We might have another vendors that are popping up recently. But I suggest you to work with the technology that's been out there for years with the leaders. That's why IBM MAS 360, it's a great product because of the history and of course the functionality that they offer. Now when it comes to a mobile device management, either with IBM Master 360 or with other vendors, you're pretty much going to have a lot of features involved. They pretty much do similar things, but you want to make sure you have those features and you enable them. So there's the concept of embracing bring your own device with security. We could tell people, hey, bring your own device to our company, to our business. And then we could enable a policy that will block the device. Now, you could also migrate old technologies like BlackBerry or maybe Samsung Knox to have IBM Master 360 or have any MDM enabled with the latest technology. So this is like something that's happening every year. We're migrating phones, we're changing from old technology to new ones. Nowadays, you could have the iPhone 12, you could apply IBM Master 360 to that iPhone 12, and it's gonna close down the phone in a way that is 100% secure and 100% protected. Now, the deployment could be public or on enterprise apps. That means, in other words, if we have an MDM controlling my cellular phone, my Android or my iPhone, then I could apply a policy that is going to control what apps do I install on that phone. Not only is it going to take control of the phone, for security reasons, I could enable or disable the camera. For security reasons, I could probably enable or disable the microphone. Or maybe for security reasons, I don't want to install too many apps. So I only allow just a few apps for that user. That is the magic of mobile device management. That you really get to a level that you enable or you control exactly what you need. Basically, because there are a lot of third-party apps on the Android Google Play market that they are pretty much with malicious code. So you don't want any user to be infected right away with malicious code. And then on top of that, that information on that phone is going to be leaked. So you want to control that. Now, the next thing is that providing access to work content is what really matters, because you could probably have a Excel spreadsheet or a Word document that is very important for that user. And if you buy the latest Android or the latest iPhone and just put that data, those files in that phone, and that phone is not controlled by a MDM, well, guess what? That information is going to be lost. It's going to be leaked. Those personal files or company files, the hacker is going to access those files and then resell them on the darknet. So that is really the problem that a lot of people need to understand, how security works on your cellular phone. So keep this in mind. The mobile device management is an amazing tool for all users. You could either work at a company, an enterprise company, or a small company, or you could be your own personal user. Now, in this training, we're looking at the fundamentals of MDM, how the features and functionality work. But also, we have another class at Udemy for how to implement mobile device management with IBM Master 360. Now, keep this in mind. Security is what really matters. All right, so thank you and see you on the next episode.